Ganda oh. PR527 Philippine Airline. Ganda na ng Philippine Airline, no? May ano na sila, may ganito na. Dati bihira itong mga ganito, ngayon high tech na sila. Philippine Airline 527 biyaheng Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Balik Manggagawa na naman. Ayan. Sir, musta sir? Balik Manggagawa na naman tayo guys. Ayan guys, balik Manggagawa. Seaman's Life. Balik Sampang na naman sa barko. Sarap talaga sumakay sa Philippine Airline. High tech na sila ngayon. Hindi kagaya dati, boring. Wala kang makitang ganito ba. Ngayon high tech na, nag-improve na. Thank you Philippine Airline. Ay, yun na, maya aalis na to. Philippine Airline PR527 biyaheng Kuala Lumpur. So ayun guys, meron na rin silang magandang headset.
Oyster, sir.
Beef oyster.
Sir, how about you?
Chicken inasal. Wow, beef inasal. Wow, sarap. Beef oyster. Sarap. Ayan muna tayo guys. Ayan si ma'am.
Excuse me sir, careful spot.
Thank you. Thank you ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have started our initial approach into Kuala Lumpur. Please ensure that your large electronic devices and carry-on baggage are stowed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Your seat backs upright, tray tables stowed, window shades open, and your seat belts securely fastened. We will be coming around to assist you as we prepare for arrival. Thank you.
Bag under the seat.
To Kuala Lumpur. The local time is 2:05 in the afternoon and we are 35 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival time. The date today is 22nd of March 2025 and the ground temperature is recorded at 27 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead stowage bins to retrieve your items, as this may have shifted during the flight. Please check your personal belongings before disembarkation. 1. And the rest of the crew, this is your flight purser Anluan Aralio, thanking you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Philippine Airlines 527. See you again.
So much. Bye.
Thank you, Philippine Airlines
Thank you so
527.
much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po. Salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you.